There is a specific kind of silence that settles in your chest when you are watching the person you once built a life with turn into a total stranger. It is disorienting. You are standing in the wreckage of what you thought was a partnership, while the narcissist is out there performing a brand new premiere of the perfect lover for someone else. If you are stuck in that loop, wondering if they have finally changed, or if you were the problem all along, I want you to lean in for a second. We need to talk about what is actually happening behind that curtain of new supply and love bombing. It is not a romantic evolution. It is a cycle they have memorized. You might feel a desperate urge to look away, but sometimes the most painful thing you can do is the very thing that sets you free. Witnessing who the narcissist is when they think you are not looking. If you ever find yourself within earshot of how they talk about you to this new person, do not run. Not yet. Listen. Truly listen to the way they frame your history. You will hear things that make your blood run cold. You will hear your private struggles turned into punchlines. You will hear your sacrifices reshaped into smothering, and your valid boundaries described as instability. This is not just venting. This is the exposure of a person who is deeply, fundamentally, sick to the core. When you hear them belittle the person who carried them and loved them, that is your evidence. You are not losing a partner. You are witnessing a narcissist who has lost their humanity. It is easy to feel a sting of resentment toward the new supply. They seem so bold, so smug, so convinced they have won a prize. You might wonder, how can they be so cruel to me? They do not even know me. Understand this. Their audacity is not homegrown. It was gifted to them. They have been fed a lot of lies about you. They have been told they are the healer, or the only one who truly means the world to this person. They are acting on a courage that was manufactured by the narcissist's manipulation. But here is the hard truth that should give you peace. They are currently standing where you once stood. They are receiving the same recycled lines, and eventually, inevitably, they will receive the same discard. You do not need to seek revenge. You do not need to scream from the rooftops to warn them. The universe has a way of balancing the books without your intervention. When two people collaborate to tear down someone's spirit, they build their connection on a foundation of sand and betrayal. That new supply will eventually realize that the narcissist they helped hurt you is the same person who will eventually turn that weapon on them. They get back everything they put out, 10 times over, because they are now trapped in the same cycle you are escaping. Your job is not to wait for the explosion. Your job is to walk away from the blast zone. Use that shock, use that realization of their sickness as the fuel to finally let go. You are not losing a love. You are being released from a haunting. Take a deep breath. You are going to be okay. Thanks for watching. Until next time, I will see you in the next one.